Welcome to our quick tutorial on variable types in Golang. In this 1-minute video, we'll introduce you to the different variable types available in Go. Let's dive in. In Go, variables are classified into several types, including Boolean, represents true or false values. Numeric, includes integers and floating point numbers. Strings, represents a sequence of characters enclosed in double quotes. Constants, variables with fixed values that cannot be changed. Pointers, stores the memory address of another variable. Arrays, a fixed size sequence of elements of the same type. Slices, similar to arrays but with dynamic size. Structs, user-defined types that group different variables together. And that's it. In just 1 minute, we introduced you to various variable types in Golang. Remember, each type has its specific purpose and usage. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.